Gather around, junior bakers. Today, we're having the Great Money Bake-Off. Have you ever wondered how money works? Just like our favorite donuts, it takes a bit of kneading and shaping. We start with dough, mix it up, and create something delicious. In our case, we're not just making donuts, we're making sense of cents and dollars. We're kneading our financial future, shaping it into something as delightful and exciting as a fresh donut. That's right, we're turning dough into donuts, because money is delicious. First, we knead our budget dough, shaping it into a smart financial plan. Just as kneading gives dough its flexibility and strength, budgeting provides our money with the ability to stretch and grow. It's like the magic ingredient in our money mix. Imagine our budget dough as all the money we have. Now, we need to decide how to divide this dough to bake the best donut. Some of it might go towards our needs like food and clothes. That's our needs dough. Then we might set aside some for fun stuff, our wants dough. And don't forget, some of our dough should be saved for later, just like saving some donuts for a rainy day. Just like kneading helps us shape the dough into any form we want, budgeting helps us manage our money effectively. It's like a roadmap that guides us on how to spend, save, and invest our dough. With a well-kneaded budget dough, we have a base for our tasty donut. Then, we roll out our savings dough for that extra sweetness. Think of it as sprinkling sugar on your donut. This is the money we set aside for our future needs and wants. It's like saving a slice of your favorite pie for later. It may require a bit of patience now, but it's worth it when you get to enjoy it later. So, let's roll, pat, and shape our savings into a future full of sweet possibilities. With our savings dough rolled out, we're ready for the next step. And in a flash, we've got the spending dough, a little treat for ourselves. Just like a donut, spending money can bring a sprinkle of joy and satisfaction. But remember, it's all about the balance. Just as we wouldn't want to gobble down a dozen donuts all at once, we don't want to spend all our dough at once either. Think of it this way. When we're choosing a donut, we don't just grab any old one from the box, right? We the one that looks the most delicious, the one that's worth every single bite. That's how we want to treat our spending dough. We want to spend it on things that truly matter to us, things that bring us the most joy. So it's a new toy, a fun day out, or even a donut. Make sure it's worth every penny. Comment with your dream donut flavor and hit subscribe to join us in the next sweet financial bake-off. Time to make some dough, and dough nuts.